Hello students. So today we'll be learning in a digital format. So today in this chapter we will learn about the food that we get from plants. Food from the plants. Now whatever we eat, right, like the chapati, the curd, and what else? The fruits and vegetables, right? This we all get from plants, okay? So let's learn about them. Most of our food comes from the plant. Food from plants. What are the different kind of food that we get from plants? Some plants give us fruits, okay? So what's your favorite fruit? Then we eat apple, mango, grapes, orange and many different varieties of fruit, and we all get them from plants. Some plants gives us vegetables, and we eat different part of a plant as vegetables. Sometimes we eat the root of the plant, sometimes we eat the stem of the plant, sometimes we eat the leaf or the fruit of the plant, and sometimes the seed. So carrot, radish, we eat roots of these plants. Potato and ginger, we eat stem of these plants. If we talk about the cauliflower and broccoli, we eat the flowers of these plants. Have you ever seen cauliflower or broccoli? Now you can also see them, right? Don't you see them that they are looking like a flower? So these are actually the flower of these plants. We also eat tomato and ladyfinger, and we eat fruits of these plants. So kids, do you know we eat vegetables like carrot, radish and cucumber raw? We eat them in a salad, right? So kids, there are certain vegetables. Most, like when we eat fruit, we eat them raw. But there are certain vegetables also we eat them raw, just like carrot, radish, cucumber, and we eat them in a salad. Now, some plants gives us pulses, and pulses are the seeds of the plants. So I was talking about what? Like for example, the gram, the moong. Have you ever, your mother makes the dal, right? The moong dal, chana dal, gram, beans, arhar, right? These are all the pulses, and these are the seeds of those plants. Some plants give us cereals, and cereals are also seeds of plants. So for example, wheat, rice, maize, barley, bajra, right? These are all the example of cereals, right? And these are all the seeds of the plant. Do you know we use wheat to make chapati or bread? So we use these cereals, we crush them into a powder like substance, and then we use them for bread and chapati. Now we also get more things from plants like spices. So some plants give us spices, and spices make our food tasty. Like we use cumin seeds, we use cardamom, coriander, clove, olives, right? These are all the spices that we add to our food to make it tasty. Now we also get tea, coffee, sugar from the plants, right? For example, we get tea from the tea leaves, we get coffee from the coffee beans, and sugar from the sugarcane plant, right? So can you just see that all the things that we are getting, right, that we are eating is coming from what? The plants only, right? Do you know, kids, salt is the only thing we eat that does not come from the plant. We make salt by collecting and drying the seawater. So where does the salt come? It's a spice, but kids, that's not coming from the plant, rather it comes from the seawater, right? Seawater has a lot of soil inside it, right? So we dry them and we make salt. So I hope this chapter is clear to you. So based on the understanding from this chapter, you have to revise and do the rest of the exercise in your homework.